Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting a whole lot of stuff done. I am starting out the morning with my smoothie. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been sick for quite a while, and you can probably tell from my voice that I'm at the tail end of it, but I really needed to get a lot done, and it was a nice sunny day, so I hope this motivates you to get some things done around your home. I am going to enjoy my smoothie first, and I like to sit and read my book. I'm reading The Making of Us by Lisa Jewell. It's really good. We still have snow, which is pretty normal for us at this time of the year, but we have a lot of sunshine, so that will feel pretty good as I'm getting some stuff done. And now I must brush my teeth. Always important after you have spinach and berries in your smoothie. I want to thank Native for sponsoring this video. I've been using Native toothpaste for a few weeks now. I switched to Native because I wanted a natural toothpaste that would whiten my teeth. I've been using this detoxifying charcoal, and I chose fluoride free, but you can choose fluoride if you prefer. I've also been trying out the Native whitening toothpaste with fluoride. So you can choose wild mint or charcoal. Both are really great. They have no harsh ingredients, no animal byproducts, and no animal testing. And it leaves my mouth feeling fresh and clean, and I notice that my teeth are nice and shiny and white. Native also has aluminum-free and paraben and sulfate-free deodorant. I've been wanting to find a good aluminum-free deodorant, and I've been even wearing this to the gym. So I chose the coconut and vanilla, cucumber and mint, and lavender and rose. They all smell really great. I've been using the coconut and vanilla right now, and I really like the way it smells, and it does a great job even while I'm at the gym. Native is offering 33% off when you buy your first Native deodorant pack, plus 50% off any toothpaste and free shipping, so a really great deal, and these are definitely worth a try. So I will have the link and code in my description box below for you. Now it is time to change the sheets. I wash our sheets and change them every Saturday, and then every other week I wash the duvet cover. Also on my list was taking a picture for Instagram, and I usually have an idea of what I want to post, so I knew once my bed was made I was going to post this picture because it looks so pretty when you look out the window at the snow. So you may have seen it on Instagram, and if not, I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram. I post pretty much every day in Instagram stories and most days on the Instagram feed. So I'm just editing it a little bit. I just brighten it a little bit and increase the highlights just a little bit. That's usually all I do. And then I also will go on Like to Know It and get all of the links for different things just to make it really easy And then I went ahead and wrote my caption and posted that. Now we are going to decorate. I'm going to start with my entryway table. This is what it looks like now, which is actually very fitting because we still have snow outside, but I so want to decorate for spring. I ordered a few things, which I will share in my next video. I can't wait for you to see them. And then I just purchased a couple of things at Hobby Lobby just to add a little bit of something to the decor that I already have. I like to just get a few new things each year instead of, starting from scratch, and that way I can change it up without spending a small fortune. So I got some blush pink flowers, this pretty wooden egg, a little bunny, and I also got this filler. I have a wheelbarrow, which you'll see later in the video, and I thought this would be really cute to add to fill the wheelbarrow. Okay, I decided to decorate my TV stand and one other area so that I could have the rest to play with for my entryway table. This TV stand is kind of hard to decorate, so I know what looks good here, and I'm going to use the same thing that I used last year. I'm also going to decorate this round shelf. This is another thing that has to have just the right thing for the right height, and if you use too many different things it looks kind of cluttered, so I'm just putting back what I had up there before I put the houses up, and I have some wooden mushrooms. In this little thing I have Petoskey stones, which I found in Petoskey, Michigan, so they are a souvenir, and we have a lot of souvenirs which I've shared before that don't look like souvenirs, but they are. So I decided to change out our L and put this bunny here, and I think it looks great, just adds a little touch of Easter. The sheets are going in the dryer, and I'm going to wash our cleaning cloths and mop pads. I wash those once a week with hot water. So after changing things around about a million times, I edited some of it out because that would be a lot to watch. I ended up with this. I think it looks really nice. I do want to get one thing for right here, like a bunny. It just needs a little something. So I really like how everything else looks, and this is what the whole entryway looks like. I know a lot of you have seen it, but in case you haven't. Also on Saturday mornings, I water all of my plants, and you guys know I love my houseplants. I have almost 40, so I don't think I showed all of them, but you'll see quite a few. And I like to turn the pot about a quarter of the way, and this really helps so that the plants don't grow in one direction, because a lot of plants will grow towards the sun, and a quarter of a turn each week is easy to remember instead of a full turn like once a month, and then you can't remember when you did it last. So that's just what I do. It's really not dark, it just looks dark on camera because it's facing the window, but I do have to water these plants in here. This is what the entryway table looks like. It's a couple of days later. I found a really cute bunny for that spot. I love how it turned out. I'm so happy to decorate for spring, and we just need the weather to go along with it. So here's a closer look of everything, and like I mentioned, I will have more decor in my next video, and we're going to do a little bit of spring cleaning, so be on the lookout for that. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.